guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dimple. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. It's a new vlog. Am I looking crusty? Of course. Yeah, so it's Friday the 28th of April, and I'm on leave. I didn't go to work today because yesterday was a holiday, so I decided just to stay home and just relax, rest, do stuff that I want to do. I want to do my hair, I want to do my nails, and I'm expecting a delivery from Game. They are delivering my washing machine. I am so happy. Finally, I got my washing machine. I've been wanting it, but yeah, I'm preparing breakfast now, and the delivery guy called me. He said he's 15 minutes away, so they will be here shortly. I made my bed earlier, but obviously I was lying on top of my bed, so yeah, it looks like that. Is that load shedding alert? Oh my god, I'm so bored. Anyway, this is where my washing machine is going to be. This little corner right here. I just swept the little corner this morning, just so when the washing machine comes, this place is ready. And then my dustbin was there, so I had to shift it and put it here now, by the side of my fridge. Yeah, my washing machine is gonna go there. And yeah, as usual, my dishes are washed. And yeah, that's it. I can't wait for them to get here. And then after that, I'm going to do my hair. Yeah, that's where everything is going to be. That's where I'm going to put everything. I can't wait for the guys to get here, so I can just plan my day properly. You know, when you're expecting a delivery, especially like a big delivery, you don't want to be at the house. You don't want them calling and not finding you. So I've just been here the whole day. It's 11 now. It's 11 a.m. now. I've just been in here. I wanted to go to the mall also, but I couldn't because I had to wait. Yeah, once they're here, I can now plan my day properly, do all the stuff that I want to do for today. I want to relax my hair. I want to shoot a hair video, and then go to the mall. I'll do my nails tomorrow because yeah, I have a lot going on today, but yeah, we'll see. Hopefully load shedding doesn't disturb me, but yeah, we'll get everything that we need to do done. Welcome to the vlog. It's going to be a weekend vlog. Hopefully I do remember to vlog, but yeah, it's gonna be a bit long because it's gonna be the whole weekend. I'm gonna try to cover the whole weekend. And yeah, cheers to being productive. Cheers to being consistent. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. They literally just deliver and they leave. Well, how am I gonna do this? Like, you're not women in finance, I'm not women in plumbing. Like, what am I gonna do? Am I gonna do everything myself? At opening hair, the girlie is here. That's my new baby right there, guys. I love her already. This machine is the DeFi 6kg machine. It's a front loader. That's the inside, all the pipes and everything to install it, or to, like, I don't know, assemble it. I haven't done anything. I just took it out of the packet, and yeah, my boyfriend will come and help me do it. I just put it here. It fits perfectly. Yeah, he will do everything. I got it in white because the white color was a lot cheaper. I got it from Game online. The white one was 4.5. They were running a sale on the white one for 4,500, and the silver gray one, the one similar to my fridge, was 5,400. The only difference is color, literally. I am not gonna leave I'm not gonna be living above my means, above my budgets because of color. This white one was definitely within budget. So yeah, I love it so much. I'm so happy. I have a ton of loads of washing or dirty laundry that needs to be washed. I can't wait. I'm going to vlog my first wash. But yeah, mabele bujwije, so I'm going to dish up and eat finally and start my day. So in my previous vlog, I like my mabeleka Nestle. I already added sugar when I was making it, so I'm just gonna add generous amount of Nestle. I like a lot of milk. Yeah, I think that's fine. Here, boo. It's ready to eat. Oh my god. Love it. I removed my wig lines yesterday. So I want to relax my hair. I normally relax my hair myself because I don't know, I always burn when someone else does my hair. So I relax my hair myself, and I use the Dark and Lovely hair relaxer, the ones for babies or for little kids. So it works best for me. So I'm going to relax my hair and then shoot my hair video and then go to the mall. Let's go. The one that I use, I normally use the one normal to coarse hair, or I use the one that says fine hair. It doesn't matter. Yeah, this is the one that I use to relax my hair. Then it comes with this cream and some sachets to mix in with the cream, and of course the neutralizing shampoo. I love this shampoo. I wish I could get it in a bigger bottle, but I'll look for it. Yeah, the neutralizing shampoo. So in here it's just gloves and all the other sachets that you need to mix with the cream, you know, and the scalp protecting oil. I'm gonna mix up all of these with this, and yeah, if you've used this before you would know, but it's very simple. Like, it's very, you can do it yourself at home. I love this relaxer. So I'm gonna relax my hair now. I've sectioned my hair into 4 sections, and that's how I'm going to relax it. Like these 4 sections. I don't know if my lines are straight or what, but it works for me. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna do everything and come back at the end because, yeah. I'm back again with my relaxed hair. I did a little style just to look cute with my dress. I'm not gonna shoot the hair video that I wanted to shoot because it's load shedding now and I don't have proper light in my room, and yeah, I'm not gonna be able to use the tools that I need to use because of load shedding. So I'm going to just go to the mall now and try to find an outfit for a birthday party that I'm going to be attending. So yeah, I'm just going to go do that. And yeah, this is how the hair turned out. I'm happy with that, with how the hair turned out. I'm not mad at all. So yeah, let's go to the mall. It's a Sunday and we are reporting live in Polokwane. My passenger princess is going through the most. Baby earrings. And tell me why we had a slow puncher on our way here. Khani, why lele so? Eh? I don't get a traveler or what? Anyway, we are in Polokwane today for a birthday party. We traveled from Joburg this morning around 7 a.m. I think it's currently 11 now. And we are here. We just want to fix the wheel and then we'll be on our way to the mall. We want to get some gifts before we go get ready, freshen up, do our makeup, get dressed, and then go to the party spot or the party venue. But yeah,
and get some chicken.
It's a birthday celebration. Yeah, we want to go get some chicken legging because we'll be at so we want to do that.
It's the last
and then yeah, this is the last. Nelly Puturi Paulina Moto Wakitima Moto or Fitishe Polokwane. Someone please But yeah, we're fixing her wheel now, and then we're gonna be off to get chicken again, and then to the mall. I didn't vlog much yesterday on Saturday. I think the last time you guys saw me was on Friday. Yesterday I just went to Bram. I did my nails, I did my hair, and I did my lashes. That's it. That's what I did yesterday. It wasn't much. Then I later went out for dinner and to grab some drinks. Yeah, that was it. And these are my nails. I don't like them. I give them 5 out of 10. But I think I need to find like a nail place in Midrand so that I don't have to go to Bram every single time I do my nails, because I don't think they bang like how they used to bang. But yeah, later guys.
Who has a pen? I shot that's a little bit hard.
Ghost messages. It can be any message or anything, right? And then now we're gonna give maybe 5 minutes or 10 minutes where, like, if you feel like you want to share like a memory, if you feel like you have a memory and you want to share with people, whatever, we can share for the next 10 minutes while we are preparing for the opening of the toasting.
So that can also.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear to me. Happy birthday to you.
We're not 15. We're not 20. We're not 25. Forever 21. Yippee!
Racy boy. Racy boy. Hello boy. Sharp. Bye bye Racy. Bye Racy. I'll see you when I come back. I'll see you when I come back. Okay, Ed.
Race?
Hey.
Sure. Hello, kita belakang.
Bye.
Siapa tahu na?
June.
Hey.
Oh, eh, kita kaya kalau tu.
Hey.
Kita kau pernah ni, ambil.
Awa, sampai jadi nalian.
Waktu mana rumah?
Bukan pada jadi nalian, na yo.
Eh, mana kau kau ada strong. Wagin jadi tegi.
Ha, di pa.
Eh.
Tegi kecil. Papa mga wano dari lagi tegi.
Gimana lu mau lagi?
Aku bukan.
Siapa he?
Siapa ketahuan?
Mbak. Dah mana lagi? Kita dalam mele. Jika race.
Asyik. Ini sih randa kalau ya.
Alright, sharp. Morning guys, it's Tuesday morning, the 2nd of May. Happy new month. Yesterday I came back from Limpopo, from the birthday party that I went to attend on Sunday. I came back yesterday. Oh my god, it was so horrible because it was a long weekend, so the trip back to Joburg was so horrible. When I left on Sunday, it was fine because there was no one going home on Sunday. When we came back, I spent like 7 hours on the road driving back to Joburg. When I say I'm exhausted, I mean I'm exhausted. My tired is tired. But anyway, it was such an amazing experience, even though it was so hard. Like, at some point, I thought I was just gonna give up on the trip. It was so hard. It was my first long trip. It was my first time driving all the way to Limpopo and back. And I feel like going there was not as hectic as coming back. But I'm so proud of myself that I did it. Oh my God, my hand is so tired. But I'm proud that I did it. And yeah, it's Tuesday. I'm so happy that last week I took leave for Friday and Tuesday. It's like I knew I was gonna come back tired. Yeah, that's on my lips. Anyway, it's like I knew I was gonna come back tired from the trip. So today is Tuesday. People are back at work, but I'm home. Yeah, I came back around 7 p.m. last night from my trip, and I just slept from 7 p.m. From 7 p.m. I didn't eat, I didn't do anything. And then I woke up this morning at 8 after a long, good 11 hours of rest, and I feel so rested. But yeah, a spa date would do me well, like a back and shoulder massage, back, neck and shoulder, foot, like my right leg right now. If you're driving, you would know that the right legs are going through the most during road trips. But anyway, it's Tuesday. I prepared myself some breakfast and I'm doing laundry now. So as usual, we are having mabele mutepa for breakfast. I feel like that's my comfort breakfast. When I have this breakfast, I'm just so happy and at peace. So yeah, I'm having mabele for breakfast, and I'm gonna make myself some cappuccino. I think just, you know, something nice. And POV, when you bought a washing machine and you don't know how to assemble it or install it, so now you are doing your laundry and we are still hand washing. Guys, I can't believe myself. I was so in a hurry to buy that washing machine, but we are still hand washing because I don't know how to install my washing machine. Look at that. Yeah, it's my life. But yeah, I'm done with the whites, and then now the nudes are in. Then I'm gonna do the grays. Yeah, my place is a mess. Laundry day is always a mess. I'm gonna do the grays and the red and pinks and then the blue and blacks. And yeah, as you can see, everywhere is a mess, guys. I just came back from Limpopo yesterday. I need to clean my room and everything. At least my kitchen is clean. But yeah, my room and my bathroom are bad. Anyway, I'll catch up with you guys later. Breakfast is served. I'm having my mabele and with some water. I'm gonna make my cappuccino later. But yeah, as I said, this is my comfort breakfast, guys. My comfort breakfast. Let me just eat so that I can finish off my laundry. I'm so tired already. And I need to just prepare what I'm gonna cook today. But anyway, I hope everybody had their breakfast. Hi guys, I know the last time y'all saw me was in the, why are my eyes so red, especially this one? Anyway, I know the last time you guys saw me was in the afternoon, well, in the morning when I was doing my laundry, and I was having breakfast, I think. I'm not sure, but yeah, it's currently almost 8 p.m. and yeah, I did my laundry. It was so much. I ended around 1. Was it 1? Yeah, around 1. I dried my stuff, but it didn't dry completely. So I have to go and hang them again tomorrow in the morning before I go to work at 5 a.m. I will do that tomorrow. And I ended up shooting some content for Garnier because I have a campaign on TikTok with Garnier. If you're not following me on TikTok, please do follow me. But yeah, And then I went to the mall to go return the dress that I bought from YDE last week because I ended up not wearing it. I just honestly didn't like it. So yeah, I got back my money and I went to Checkers just to buy some few stuff for the week. And yeah, that's about it. I'm going to end the vlog here so that I can start a new vlog tomorrow. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys for watching my videos, and I will definitely catch you guys in the next vlog. May is going to be a very beautiful month for vlogs and all things YouTube videos. So I am back, baby. So yeah, bye guys.